Hello dosto, welcome back to Italia Panchala. I'm Vaishnavi. I'm doing my bachelor's in data analysis at the University of Messina. In today's video, we're going to talk about some of the challenges we as international students face when coming to Italy. Let's talk about why we have to think twice before choosing Italy for your as your destination. First of all, a major problem you might face can be the language barrier. In Italy, most of the people speak in Italian. English is not widely spoken. Universities do offer English courses, but outside the classroom, daily life can be a little struggle. From grocery stores to transport to even dealing with legal documents, everything is in Italian. So, if you don't know Italian, survival can be a little tough. Another major problem can be finding a part-time job. If you don't know Italian, finding a part-time job can be really tough. Even if you do find a job, they might pay you very low, like around 5 to 7 euros per hour. So if you're thinking about coming to Italy to find a job, work and make money, Italy might not be a good choice. Even after you complete your masters, finding a job can be tough if you don't know Italian. Most companies prefer people who are fluent in Italian. Even in technical jobs where communication is not much required, they prefer Italian speaking people. So if you don't master the language, career options can be really low. Compared to other European countries, the process for Italian study visa and residence permit can be a little complicated. Even after you complete your studies, getting a post-study work visa can be a little difficult. Students might struggle with too much paperwork, delays, and unclear immigration rules. Italian culture is very different from Indian culture. Some Indian students can find it really lonely here because Indian communities here are very limited compared to other countries like UK or Canada. Also, finding Indian food here can be really difficult. Even if you do find stores with Indian food, they might be a little too expensive. Another thing is that racism and discrimination can be a major issue here, making it harder for the students to adjust. So, should you choose Italy as an international student? If you're prepared to learn Italian, deal with job struggles, and adjust to cultures, then maybe yes. If you're looking for better opportunities or easier transition, you might have to consider other countries. So if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं एक नए वीडियो के साथ। अरविंद एस